Ever stared at your bank account, waiting, hoping, praying for that international transfer to finally land, and wondered, what cosmic secret am I missing? Why is this taking so long? And more importantly, what information did I mess up? If you felt that pang of anxiety, that frustrating limbo of international money transfers, you are definitely in the right place. Let's be honest, sending or receiving money across borders feels like navigating a labyrinth, especially when it involves different banking systems and regulations. You're dealing with currencies, exchange rates, potential fees, and the ever-present fear of your hard-earned cash getting lost in the digital void. And when it comes to Ally Bank, a popular choice for its online convenience, the process, while streamlined, still requires precision. Think of it like this: you're sending a package across the world. You wouldn't just write to someone, somewhere on the box, would you? You'd need a specific address, a name, a postal code, and maybe even a phone number. International bank transfers are no different. They need precise details to ensure your money reaches its intended destination securely and swiftly. Now, why Ally Bank? Ally Bank, known for its online-only model and competitive rates, has become a go-to for many. But like any bank, especially when dealing with international transactions, they have specific requirements. Understanding these requirements is crucial to avoid delays, fees, and potential headaches. We're going to break down everything you need to know about receiving an international wire transfer to your Ally Bank account. We'll demystify the jargon, clarify the necessary information, and provide you with a step-by-step guide to ensure your transfer goes smoothly. So, let's dive into the core of the matter. What information do you, the recipient, need to provide to the sender to facilitate a successful international wire transfer to your Ally Bank account? First and foremost, the most critical piece of information is your Ally Bank account number. This is the unique identifier of your account, and it's essential for directing the funds to the correct place. Double-check this number, triple-check it, and then check it again. One wrong digit can lead to significant delays and complications. Next, you'll need the full name associated with your Ally Bank account. This should match the name on your account statement exactly. Any discrepancies can cause the transfer to be rejected. Now, here's where things get a little more specific for international transfers. You'll need the SWIFT code, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, or BIC, Bank Identifier Code, for Ally Bank. This code is crucial for identifying Ally Bank in the international banking network. It's like the bank's international address. While Ally Bank primarily operates within the U.S., they still have a SWIFT/BIC code for international transactions. You'll need to confirm the precise SWIFT code for international wires with Ally Bank directly, as it can be different from the one used for domestic transfers or other purposes. It is always wise to confirm this with the bank directly through their website or customer service. You'll also need the address of Ally Bank. While your personal address isn't required for the sender, the bank's address is essential for the international transfer instructions. This address acts as the physical location of the bank, providing another layer of verification for the transfer. Another crucial piece of information is the purpose of the transfer. Many banks, including Ally Bank, require the sender to specify the reason for the transfer. This helps with regulatory compliance and prevents money laundering. The sender should be prepared to provide a clear and concise explanation, such as payment for services, gift, or family support. Now, let's talk about intermediary banks. In some cases, international wire transfers may involve intermediary banks, which act as go-betweens for the sending and receiving banks. If an intermediary bank is involved, the sender may need to provide additional information, such as the intermediary bank's SWIFT code and address. Ally Bank may provide specific instructions regarding intermediary banks, so it's essential to check with them. Currency considerations are also important. While Ally Bank primarily deals in US dollars, the sender may be sending funds in a different currency. In this case, the sender's bank will handle the currency conversion. However, it's crucial to be aware of the exchange rate and any associated fees. Fees are an unavoidable part of international wire transfers. Both the sending and receiving banks may charge fees for processing the transfer. Ally Bank may charge a fee for receiving an international wire transfer, and the sender's bank may charge a fee for sending the transfer. It's essential to understand these fees up front to avoid any surprises. Timing is another factor to consider. International wire transfers can take several business days to process, depending on the banks involved, the countries involved, and the time of day the transfer is initiated. Weekends and holidays can also affect processing times. Be patient and allow sufficient time for the transfer to complete. Communication is key. If you're expecting an international wire transfer, it's essential to communicate with the sender and your bank. Provide the sender with accurate information and keep them updated on any changes. Contact Ally Bank if you have any questions or concerns about the transfer. Verification and confirmation are essential. Once the transfer is initiated, the sender should receive a confirmation from their bank. You should also receive a notification from Ally Bank once the funds have been credited to your account. Verify the details of the transfer to ensure everything is correct. Security is paramount. Be cautious about providing your bank account information to unknown individuals or entities. Only provide your account details to trusted senders. Be wary of phishing scams and other fraudulent activities. Documentation is important. Keep records of all international wire transfers, including the sender's information, the transfer amount, the date of the transfer, and any fees paid. This documentation can be helpful in case of any discrepancies or issues. Stay informed about regulations. International money transfers are subject to various regulations, including anti-money laundering and counterterrorism financing laws. Stay informed about these regulations to ensure compliance. Contact Ally Bank directly. If you have any specific questions or concerns about receiving an international wire transfer, contact Ally Bank's customer service. They can provide you with the most up-to-date information and guidance. In summary, to receive an international wire transfer to your Ally Bank account, you need to provide the sender with your Ally Bank account number, full name associated with your account, Ally Bank SWIFT/BIC code, Ally Bank's address, purpose of the transfer. Additionally, be aware of potential fees, processing times, and currency considerations. Communicate effectively with the sender and your bank, and prioritize security. Remember, precision is your best friend when dealing with international financial transactions. Double and triple check all the information you provide. Confirm the SWIFT code with the bank, and always keep open lines of communication. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.